Good morning. Dad. Good morning. Gising na. May breakfast na tayo. Malilate.
Diba?
It's already 6:56.
Hanggang oras ba yung breakfast?
Alam ko 10.
Ano ko na? Hindi na.
Wow, ready yun. Ready pala yun. Tutulog ka bang ganyan? At let's go na. Ayan, mga ka-travel buddies. So, pupunta na ulit tayo doon sa top restaurant nila. By the way, it's called The Nest. And, ayan, nasa 31st level sila.
Amazing!
And, ito yung part na open for public. Yung pinuntahan namin last night was actually more for private function. So, ayan, as you can see ako, sumilip agad ako dun sa dress code kasi parang nakita ko na to eh. So, ayan, pinoint ko pa kay dad, diba? Hindi siya nakinig.
Bruh.
Tapos sabi niya, try natin. So, more lakad kami. Kung maalala nyo sa last clip, nakasando siya, diba? So, ayan, pasok kami. Nandiyan na kami sa may receiving area. And all of a sudden, pak! Mag-isa ako niyan. Pero, ayan, bumalik si Daddy at ako, try ko na lang enjoy yung view.
Amazing!
And, very peaceful here. Ayan, nakabalik na siya. May sleeves na yung kanyang top. Good morning.
Bawal daw.
Bawal ang, sleeveless. So, let's go eat, guys.
Yummy!
Ayan na si Dad. Sinimulan na. So, continental style nga pala dito, guys.
Amazing!
Merong American, may British, and ayan, dito yung more of sa British. Dahil maraming bread, and may mga healthy options din sila. Tapos dito yung Filipino section, syempre. May kanin, may tapa, adobo rice ata yun. Tapos alam ko may danggit pa dito, di ko lang nakuha. Thank you! Good morning, guys. Let's have breakfast. I'm having simple breakfast now. The usual American breakfast. Bacon, waffle, and egg. Something that I prepare as well. Every morning. Ayan, enjoying lang the food. And then in this next clip, you'll notice very active yung servers nila. Kaya super pleasant yung experience ng dining.
Amazing!
And then yan, matapos ng kumain, so ang hatol. Ayan, ang tagal pang kumain. Papademure pa kasi. Subo mo na yan. Done with the breakfast. Over. But wait! Nagbigay talaga kami ng super positive feedback about Vivred. And in return, nagbigay rin naman sila ng kanilang thank you message. Done na kumain, so yan, picture op sa lobby. Sa ground floor nga pala to, by the way. And then after that, we thought of going for a short walk. Hi! Ayan, so this is the hotel, the back of the hotel where we are staying. There. So we walked up to here and I just thought of recording this walk kasi this walk feels like a walk sa Japan pagka summertime.
Amazing!
No?
Summertime yun po.
Ayaw mo init. Ayun nga eh. Kasi nga summertime na Japan. Subaru. Subaru? Ah, nga no. Oh, there's a Subaru dealer. Subaru. Since Japan feels na rin lang tayo, wait for our Japan 2023 Demesa Weekends.
That's it mga ka-travel buddies. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!